One of the most awaited romantic films, Ranchna, directed by Anand L. Rai, is all set for its release on 21st June. The film stars Tamil film actor Dhanush in his Bollywood debut, Sonam Kapoor and Abhay Deol in the lead roles. The music of this film is composed by A.R. Rahman and the songs are already chartbusters. Ranchna is an intense love story of Kundan, who goes on from a 13-year-old boy in love to become a committed, spirited young man. He sets out to unite his first love, Zoya, with her love, Akram, and what follows is a tale of love, betrayal, redemption, and healing set against the very rooted town of Benares and the upbeat political environs of Delhi. Actor Dhanush plays the character Kundan, who has passion for his city Benares and Zoya. It depicts him, a young boy, and then a teen who turns into a sensitive adult. Sonam Kapoor's character Zoya is childlike and unpredictable. She can be cold and at the same time objective. She has every quality that makes her desirable to a man. Actor Abhay Deol as Akram plays a secure yet confident university student, socialist, and a budding politician. Well, how excited are you to watch this movie? Leave your comments below and hit the like button. Also, keep watching The Space and subscribe to Bollywood Backstage for Ranchna's movie review.